The millionaire investing habits that will change your life. Some habits that millionaires do day by day have nothing to do with how early they wake up, how much they meditate, or how many books they read every month. And those are the ones that can help you in your financial life. Because, trust me, some of the most successful people don't do any of those things, but focus on what really matters. They have some habits in common that let them make, save, and invest more money, and thankfully, anyone can do it for free. And if you do it consistently, they will guarantee you to change your financial life. So, what are these golden habits? Let's talk about them. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the millionaire investing habits that will change your life. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Knowing and understanding about money and mindset, particularly around those people who are highly successful, includes the practices of millionaires. And looking at millionaire habits is very eye-opening, because if they work for them, then why can't they work for the rest of us? So let's crack some of the best investing habits followed by millionaires that will definitely change your life. Track your spending. This habit is the one that is going to give you the biggest impact on the rest of your life if you do it. Millionaires know exactly where their money goes, how much money they spend, and how much they need to earn every day to cover their expenses. This is because to be good with money, you have to be meticulous about tracking how much money goes in and how much goes out. It doesn't have to do about how much money you make, but how much of it you get to keep. Now, this works because you will pay close attention to what you are spending at the end of the month. Was that $15 coffee really necessary? Or those $40 sunglasses? So when you start small, you will be more able to not pay for unnecessary things that are more expensive, like a brand new phone when yours works perfectly fine, or an Apple Pencil that costs $125. Say no to want spending. There are expenses in your life that you know are unnecessary, but you feel you deserve. Although many of them are worth making that purchase because we have money to satisfy our needs. Others, after a while, realize that we had made a mistake. In simple words, some people don't buy anything they can't afford with the cash they carry. In this way, they realize that if they need to use their credit card to purchase, they probably should not buy it. Because if you can't buy it twice, then you can't afford it. Make your money invisible. When you start making money, your needs and expenses change as well, which in turn make it impossible for you to track where your money is going. That happens because you see more money in your account. When you know you have more money, new needs arise, and therefore you spend more. For this reason, millionaire people make their money invisible. In this way, they avoid the temptation to spend it. Some ways they do this are: they buy assets that generate more monthly income, for example, houses or stocks. They have a savings account with difficult access and set automatic payments. They have aggressive investments that do not allow them to get their money easily. So, the harder it is for you to touch your money, the easier it will be to work with what you have. Never invest in what they don't understand. When GameStop went up, many people started investing in it, and for those who were not ready to invest in it, were considered stupid for not taking advantage of their great opportunity. And those same people lost a lot of money later on. Let me explain to you why investing without understanding the market, even with GameStop, wouldn't make you a millionaire in just one day. If we look at it, to buy that 100 shares of this company, you needed to have between $25,000 to $40,000 in a broker after January 27th. If you bought it after that day, then you would have lost between $15,000 and $40,000. The good thing is that GameStop is not the only stock that made a good movement in the past year. So not everyone was stupid enough to invest their money in a risky project like this, because there is never going to be one single opportunity. Therefore, understanding that there are many opportunities out there, you will never feel the pressure to want to invest now in something you don't know without thinking if you are going to make the right choice and learn about it. You should have at least 3 income streams. Self-made millionaires don't depend on a single source of income. They develop multiple streams. Having multiple incomes has a lot of benefit. The principle is security. So one habit that can help you be a millionaire is to look for alternative ways to earn a monthly income and not depend only on your salary. Examples of these additional flows are real estate rentals, stock market investments, and partial ownership of a side business. So the more capital flows you can have, the more secure your financial status will be. Understand the taxes. One of the essential fields that you have to master is taxes if you want to earn money. It is even recommended to know more about this than your financial advisor. When you know about taxes, you can do these things. Reduce the taxes you pay depending on the type of business you have. Take advantage of tax returns that are not so common. Know if it is worth doing a business. Sometimes it is more the effort than the return you can get from something. Get a rate reduction on your current loans. Taxes are a part of your money, and for that reason, you should be interested in everything involved in it. Because if you do not know something as basic as why they reduce money from your monthly salary, it is complicated that you want to continue learning about how to get more money properly. Save money and invest. If you want to become a millionaire, you have to do more or less the same things that they did. This means saving every penny that can be saved and not spending money on unnecessary things. To do that, first of all, limit your time spent on entertainment. Studies show that people who earn less than $25,000 per year spend too much time in front of the TV, PC, or social media, in comparison with people that earn more than $75,000. If you can't really afford it, don't buy jewelry or things that can't generate money for you. If you live in a big house with 3 rooms, but you are all by yourself, or it's just you and your spouse, why not search for a smaller and cheaper place? If you want to reach your goal of becoming a millionaire faster, you need to cut every spending you have that is not adding value to your life. After you've saved enough money, invest it in a portfolio that is diverse and can generate a good amount of passive income. Plus, if you have other income pools, and you could use the drip strategy for your portfolio. This is where you reinvest your dividends and profits back into the specific stocks, leading to an increased profit coming in from the compound interest. A key aspect is that you need to stay away from liabilities and invest in assets that have the potential to generate income for you, like stocks, real estate, or a certain company. Don't make decisions out of impulse or instinct, no matter what people tell you. Gather as much information as you can before investing anything anywhere. In conclusion, habits like meditation, exercise, or reading will not make you rich. They will only help your self-development and mental health. Focusing on habits that really involve money and doing the things that help you have more money are those habits that are really going to help you build an empire. So don't feel like you have to invest in something because you can earn a lot of money without properly understanding the profit stream. Remember that there will always be opportunities. The important thing is to know when to take them. Therefore, earning a lot of money is not what will ensure your success, but knowing how to manage it correctly. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which investment did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.